Hi there, lovelies. I'm going to paint a landscape today in acrylics on canvas, and I've sketched out what I want to do. This is going to be water here, and these are going to be dark reeds and things like that, grasses and things, with a few trees in here on the horizon. It's going to have a lovely, possibly moody sky. We'll see. I'm going to whack some dark colours in it, and then go over with the lights. Palette: black, burnt umber, burnt sienna, crimson, cadmium yellow, ultramarine, cream, and cerulean blue. I forgot for a minute. Okay, so that's the palette. Acrylic paints. Bob's your uncle. Let's get going. Right, I'm going to start by, I need a paintbrush. Right, I'm going to start by painting the sky ultra dark, mixing all the blues together to get, I love that, get that like a greeny colour. I don't like the brush that I'm using, but I'll put the paint on with it, and then I'll just smooth it out. Right, got nice darks there. What I'll do is, when I've got the dark in there, let's start in here, see. This is what I want. What I'll do is, I'll go over with a lighter brown. Make it irregular, like this. Sides. Right, now this is all going to be my 2 bodies of water. Let's do that just for a minute. This is going to be, this here is going to be water. This is going to be the land. This, and this is going to be the land. Like that. So I want a light in here. I made this sort of, I suppose you call it a peachy colour for the horizon. And I want it light because I want to put some trees in there, don't I? And I want them to show up, so let's make another bit. I just used cream and raw sienna. Sorry, burnt sienna it is. But raw sienna would do. It's made a lovely pink. Look at that now. Look at that. It's nice. I like that. I like that pink that it makes. Yeah. Yeah. Just, just experiment. Right, now in here, the water, it's not going to be blue like you would expect. It's going to be, well, I'm just going to do layers of it. Might put touch of blue in there. Not going to be much. Whoops. I want a sort of grey, maybe a grey blue. Yeah, a grey blue. Let's do that. Let's just put that in for now. See if I can get a nice picture of it. And yeah, see the light coming through the trees? That's what I like. It's the nicest part of this. So I think that's the end of the painting demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, it would be lovely if you would like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. I would really, really appreciate it. And with that, I'll say, oh, and you can also support the channel by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from Cornwall.